Meghalaya Congress today strongly criticized the National People's Party NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government over mismanagement of MeECL. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya legislator and Congress spokesperson Zenith M. Sangma said, the MDA government still survives due to the support by regional parties, including the United Democratic Party, despite mismanagement of MeECL and non-payment of salaries to MeECL employees. He also said that employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and SSA teachers are having enormous hardships as they are yet to get their salaries for many months.
So, it reflects the insensitivity and the inefficiency of the government. Apart from this, it's a festive time. Even the SSA teachers, for last more than 4 months, they have not receiving their salaries. The employees of different public sector undertakings are not getting salaries. So this is the kind of situation where this present leadership is running the government. It is very, very unfortunate to see this kind of mismanagement as far as the governance is concerned. Now I would like to talk about the plight of the employees of the MeECL. The MeECL employees, grade 1 and 2, have not been paid their salary since October 2020, and all other categories since November 2020 till date. Even the pensioners are not getting their pensions. During this festive time, we can understand the agonies and the hardships being faced by the employees of the MeECL, including its pensioners. The schemes like Saubhagya and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Jyoti Yojana, DDUGJY, has created more liabilities to MeECL due to inefficient handling and corruption. On the top of it, the government is taking loan of huge amount, thereby increasing the liabilities of the company. And when the repayment of the loan will be more than its capacity, I think it's high time that the regional parties who are supporting the NPP-led MDA government should take a call. Otherwise, what happened? As in democratic system, we the politicians, elected representatives, we have to go back to the people to seek its mandate after every 5 years. So as far as the MeECL is concerned, we once again demanded at least not below the rank of additional chief secretary should be appointed as the CMD, Chairman and Managing Director of the MeECL, and proper inquiry be done, and the management should be streamlined at the earliest.